back, just hit my head. Welcome back to Hangar Garage and another video on my smart car on snow tracks. Last video I took this thing through town and it went great until it didn't. That bogey wheel right there is obviously wearing through. The track got a little bit out of alignment, but I now have parts to fix it. And it might have already become pretty clear at this point, but this is my first experience with any sort of tracks. That's how I didn't notice that was out of alignment. I also don't really know how to fix these, but it can't be that hard, right? Everything pulled apart. This is the old bogey wheel compared to the new one. These are the smaller wheels. These two are the old ones, and these are the new ones. You can see these ones got a bit chewed up by the tracks. They're definitely due for replacement. Got the track put all back together. Everything that needs to be oiled is oiled. Everything that needed to be greased is greased. And I checked and adjusted the tension on all 4 tracks. So it is now test drive time. Working good so far. Mid-drive check, everything seems to be in line still. Well, post-drive check, this is about 2 miles in and it's doing the same thing again. That is a bummer. After slightly closer inspection, I noticed something that I'm hoping is the problem. Well, it's obviously a problem. This is the passenger side track. And if you look there at the gap between the track frame and the hub, there is no gap. But on the driver's side, there's quite the gap there. And both of the rears have no gap, so it's just the left front. Got the track inside and disassembled, and it is now pretty clear what the problem is. If I pull this, then it just comes apart. So that's not ideal. And this is the brand new wheel that I just put on. It's all tore up now. That sucks, because those are 111 bucks each. And when you pop this cap off, there's a lot of metal in there. It looks like it just came loose, because this is not tight at all. And I also noticed that this is the right rear bogey wheel on the left front track, and the bearing is not doing so great. Got the track all put back together. I cleaned everything out, put new grease in it, cleaned all the metal out, and swapped some bearings between the bogey wheels and put the bad bogey wheel in the back, and it seems to be tracking just fine now. I think all that really happened is the bolt holding this hub in, it just backed out so far that it would just allow it to pop out, and it didn't seem to really hurt anything, but I will find that out. Everything is all back together. Test drive number, who knows? Just down the street, everything is on track so far. Along at about 30 miles an hour, and this is smooth, comfortable, and quiet. Wait, no, that's not right. It's none of those things. A little bit farther down the road, and the track, unfortunately, is doing the same exact thing again. So something is out of line. I gotta figure out what it is before I keep spending all my money on bogey wheels. Took the track completely apart now, and I have spotted what I believe to be the issue. This is the little track that the track slides along on the bottom of the track. And as you can see, well, maybe you can't, I don't know, it's kind of worn through on this side, so the track is moving over to the side that it's eating through all the wheels. So I'm guessing that happened when the bearing popped out, and then now that that's messed up, it's going to keep messing everything else up. This is all a guess, but that sounds good enough to be true. 11 days have passed and parts have finally showed up. We got 2 new bogey wheels, a few more small little wheels, I don't remember what they're called, and most importantly, a new track guide. I'm gonna throw this track back together, and my fingers are extremely crossed that that is the last of my problems with this particular track. Track is back together and put back on the Smart. I adjusted the T-bar, aligned everything. It's got fresh, whatever you call the small wheels, probably just mini bogey wheels, I'm not sure. But fingers crossed that this works. Actually went pretty well. The tracks are still where I put them. They're still in line. It's not wearing through any of the bogey wheels just yet. Got it up to about 35 miles an hour, and I think that's faster than I've ever gone before. For the next test, taking it out into the real world onto the high-speed roads. Well, not that high speed, like 35. And I don't think I've shown it here before, but the way to turn off the traction control system on this is to press both of these buttons at one time. Kind of tricky, but you hold those and you turn the key. With the key turned, you wait until the traction control light flashes. There you go. And then when you start it, your traction control will be off and everything will be freaking out. Cruising along, going about 30, probably 31, 32 miles an hour. It's extremely loud. I'm pulling off till the cars pass me, but so far so good. I've checked the tracks a couple times. They seem to be in alignment and not wearing through anything, so that is good. coming up. I don't know what the speed limit is there, but I'm sure that I can't do it. Oh, it was just a 35 zone. I still can't really do that though. It made it. Everything is still in line. The track is still wearing properly. Nothing's gouging into anything. So this successfully can drive to town and back a distance of 7.0 miles. Very impressive. Not really, but it was fun. And now it's finally ready for the snow. The forecast keeps saying it's going to snow, but it keeps not doing that. Alex is giving it a try. What's your opinion on the drivability?
I don't think they'll be able to hear anything I'm saying.
I'll give it a try.
It's so freaking loud.
Rate the smoothness on a scale of 1 to 10.
It feels like, you know those foot massages where it vibrates a ton?
Yeah.
That's what it feels like on my hands.
Okay, so perfect.
Yeah. It's very noisy. I can't think because it's so loud. All I can think about is I have to keep the steering wheel really straight or else this goes all over the place.
Yeah, it doesn't track very good, does it?
But other than that, it's really stupid and I love it.
Would you recommend this to other people?
Yes.
Perfect. Off-road.
What?
Sticker bush got in the hand.
Oh, shit. Well, my shoes are soaked. Yeah, the trucks are soaked. Yeah, you're kind of going like all over the place. You may have to back up a bit. Truck.